Adventure road trip. Beautiful shapes. Please come and join us. The ocean view. So lovely. Lord love the view. And beautiful family time. Ships, they are gorgeous. They say ships are clever. Anymore.
That's right!
And ships can serve Medicaid. Isn't it cool? Yay! Hello, Shippy. Hello, Shippy.
Aww.
Hello, bird. Hello, Shippy. So many books. The book, Mommy.
See, they're looking at you.
Yeah.
Looks like they like you. See that?
Don't touch it.
You want to touch the sheep. They don't want to come near you. They feel shy. They feel embarrassed. Ooh, Lewis is here. See, they keep looking at you.
Did they eat the glass?
They eat the grass, yeah. So many sheep.
Yes.